Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by doing a focused physical count of priority areas, high turn and high value SKUs. Use your phone or a simple spreadsheet to record SKU, quantity, and precise location as you go. Once you spot damaged or obsolete items, tag and move them to a quarantine area so counts stay accurate. Do this in short passes to avoid fatigue. Make sure to timestamp each entry. This fast start gives you a clean baseline and momentum for implementing a reliable inventory routine. Next, set up consistent tracking and workflows so your baseline turns into reliable data. Pick a method that fits your scale: spreadsheet, entry-level software, or a barcode scanner system. Then define clear procedures for receiving, picking, returns, and how to log adjustments. Assign responsibilities so one person owns each step, and schedule regular cycle counts by zone or SKU velocity. Once these processes exist, your counts will stay current and discrepancies shrink, letting you trust the numbers for ordering and finish by reconciling and optimizing. Run weekly or monthly reports and investigate variances that exceed your threshold, such as 2% or $100. Use ABC analysis to focus reorder and storage on the items that drive most value, and reduce slow-moving stock through promotions or returns. If numbers still don't match, troubleshoot methodically. Review receiving logs, check for counting or data entry errors, confirm system sync times, and consider shrinkage or theft. Make corrective changes, then rerun cycle counts to verify resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.